Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see IIT, NIT, IISc, other government university given notification SRF, JRF, Research Assistant Associate, Project Assistant Associate and eligibility MSc, BE, BTech, ME, MTech and PhD, and after selection they will provide 31,000 to 40,000 per month plus including HRA. Present content of this video mainly Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology IIST invite application for the post of JRF and postdoctoral fellowship PDF, and coming to junior research fellow number of post 1 and qualification MTech in electronics, solid state technology, information nanotechnology, electrical engineering. Monthly remuneration 31,000 including HRA, and PDF number of post 1 and monthly remuneration 47,000 plus including HRA. Age limit 35 years and applying mode can apply for the post through this website, and deadline of application May 31st 2021. For more details go through website JRF and postdoctoral fellowship at IIST Thiruvananthapuram. And coming to next, project associate applied mechanics at IIT Madras, apply before May 25. Eligibility MS MTech 7.5 CGPA and above, BE BTech CGPA 8.0 and above with valid GATE score, and application invite to register and apply online via this website. Important date and last date for submission online application before 25 May 2021, and salary 32,000 per month. For more details go through website project associate applied mechanics at IIT Madras. And coming to and software job at IT at IIT Kharagpur, number of post 3, project title ERP software installation and customization for IIT Jodhpur, and sponsor IIT Kharagpur and IIT Jodhpur Rajasthan, and qualification BE BTech MCA MSc in CSC or similar. Age limit 35 years, and coming to salary 40,000 depending upon qualification and experience. And interested candidates apply can post through and this link at available in website, and deadline of this post May 24 2021. For more details contact software engineering IT at IIT Kharagpur. And coming to JRF junior research fellow in physics Gandhinagar, number of posts through, salary 31,000 per month including HRA, and education qualification MSc physics, applied physics, engineering physics or MTech, computational science, computer science, electrical, CSIR, UGC net or GATE qualified must and should. Period of appointment post or purely temporary or duration of 2 years, and applying this post interested candidates must send the CV with complete qualification and good experience details. Last date May 20 2021. Candidate will be shortlisted for interview based on CV qualification and experience, and these are the important dates. Last date for application before May 20 2021, and interview dates May 28 29 2021 through online mode, and SRF start date June 15 2021. For more details go through website junior research fellow JRF at DAIICT Gandhinagar,